Okay. So, Shiraz,
Hi there.
where are you from?
I'm from Chicago area. I am 25, and I just came out here about 3 days ago.
Yeah, you came here for Friday for the
Yeah,
licensee
Friday.
training.
Yeah.
So, what do you think of the business class?
I love the business aspect. Nick taught me a lot of stuff from A through Z on the business side. For the first day we got here, and then the second day we got straight into hands-on.
So, tell me a little bit about Tell me a little bit about the business day. What did you like the best about that day?
The best I liked about that day is you getting me having a organized and to have
The business
just the business
plan, social
and
media marketing, the website.
yeah, website up. You taught me how to do it from A to Z, and
So
I
that definitely
appreciate
helped you.
that. I did.
Excellent. So that was Friday. So Saturday was the exterior training.
Yes.
So what did you think of the exterior training day?
The exterior was amazing. I was kind of nervous to do the polishing and stuff like that, but as soon as you get a hang of it, it's pretty much easy, smooth as can be, and I did really well. So I like
Ceramic coating. You enjoyed
ceramic, yeah.
applying the ceramic coating,
Ceramic coating was easy enough.
and that can make you a lot of money too.
Yes, it can.
And today was the final day. We did the interior training today. What'd you think of that?
Interior, I enjoyed it. You taught me how to properly dress everything, properly clean the interior, how to extract the carpets,
vapor steamer, the
yep,
Tornador. Yeah, you were a great student. Did a great job.
Appreciate it.
You got it, and I appreciate you, man. You're now a licensee of Details Are.
Thank you so much.
All right, thank you. Have a safe trip home.
All right.